guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time then hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here and I hope you have a good time on my channel. So today's video is a haul. It's a Zara sale haul. So the Zara sale is still on online as well as in offline stores, and everyone has been going crazy over it, and I've also been able to score a few items. So I thought कि आज haul बना लेती हूँ because it's been a really long time since I shot a haul. Mainly because I work full time, so my weekdays are completely dedicated to my work, to my office work, and I can shoot videos only on weekends. And because I work full time, so every day I cannot even dedicate a lot of time to my house, so housework also gets piled on, and then weekend I have to take care of that also. But I try to shoot on weekends, but the thing that is happening right now is the Mumbai monsoon. So जैसे ही weekend होता है बारिश चालू हो जाती है, and then it gets so dark that I cannot shoot a video. So today finally the sun is out on a weekend, so I thought that I'm going to make the most out of it. But somebody in my building decided to start some construction work, and you might hear some construction noise in the background, but I was like, you know what, no, I am going to shoot. So anyway, let's get started with the haul. What I'm also going to do is that throughout the video I'll be giving you all some tips on how I'm able to shop on the Zara sale and how you can get the best out of the Zara sale. If you really want something, then you have to be really quick because items just fly off the shelf during the Zara sale. But also keep in mind कि आते रहते हैं चीजें, like people keep on returning and all, so you will get things even later during the sale. So whenever the Zara sale is about to start, and if you have the mobile app installed and your notifications are on, you will get a notification one day prior to the sale starting. So that way आपको पता है कि कल sale है, तो आप वो items कार्ट में रख लो जो आपको चाहिए. Sale usually starts at 9 PM, but on the app you have to be this quick because by 9-2 PM most of the things are gone. Like मुझे तो जो चाहिए रहता है, most of the things are gone at 9-2 PM only. So anyway, let's get started with the haul, and I'll keep on giving some tips throughout the video. As usual, I have my phone to check the prices, and here are the items that I bought. So the first thing that I have here is a pair of jeans. जब भी Zara की sale लगती है, the first thing that I try to score is a pair of jeans because I really find Zara jeans to be very long lasting. Like I have now 4-5, I don't know how many pairs from Zara, and each of the jeans have really lasted me a long time. I really like the Zara fit, so which is why I went for this. So this is like a mom jeans, the very popular Zara mom jeans, and it is ripped and it is in this dark blue but not very dark blue color. Anyways, I'm going to put up some pictures from the website so that you can see how it looks like, and let me just check the price. So the MRP states 2800. Okay, so the MRP is 2800 and I've paid 1800 for these pair of jeans, which is not bad at all considering Zara jeans really last long. So the thing with Zara sale is that इनका prices keep on reducing over the weeks. So this sale starts generally on a Wednesday, and उसके बाद 2 weeks के बाद every Wednesday the price keeps on falling for each and every item that is on sale. But obviously मतलब Zara sale में पहले ही दिन half of the things क्या 70 to 80% of the things are gone. So जैसे जैसे आप progress करोगे, there will be very few items that you will get. Obviously, if you just keep on checking the app and if someone is returning, you will be able to score a few things. So anyway, as I was saying that most of the things that I got were on day one itself because मतलब पहले से मैंने कार्ट में थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें रखी हुई थी जो मुझे लेनी थी, and I just stuck to that and didn't check the other items and just checked out, so I was able to get these things. So the next thing that I bought is this midi dress. So this is like a polka dotted dress and it has pockets as well, which is amazing, and I really like the color of it, and it's different. It's like this off-white cream and there are these terrazzo print type polka dots. These are not really polka dots but like terrazzo print type of a material going on throughout the dress, which I absolutely love. Plus this is knit material, so this is very good for winters as well. Just throw a jacket or a coat over it and you will be good. So I was really happy to get this dress because this dress is for 4490 and I was able to get this dress for 1500. So I was like 65% off, give it to me. Anyways, ये मेरे कार्ट में था. So what I do is that I know that a lot of people shop for basics during the Zara sale, but what I like to do is I like to stick to 3 or 4 items only, but like very good things like dresses which are like very expensive or something, because you know I feel that basics तो मैं कभी भी ले सकती हूँ, but there are these dresses or you know some skirts or something which are like fabulous but they are generally very costly, और अगर आपको सेल पे 40% 50% ऑफ मिल रहा है तो that's an excellent time to add it to the collection. So which is what I do. I always on the Zara sale try to stick to 1 or 2 pair of jeans, 2 or 3 dresses, maybe 1 or 2 tops, and that is it. Because that way like you can actually build your collection instead of just keeping on adding basics. That is what I feel, because that's my style. But I'm just letting you know, if you want to score some dresses, this is the time. And yes, if you're shopping during the Zara sale and if you're able to get something, that's a score. Moving to the next piece. Now this is something very different and I really liked, and my husband hated it. He's like, you look like Govinda, but I was like, I really like it. So this is like a linen floral shirt. And this is actually like an oversized shirt. At least on the app it looked oversized. But obviously आप एक size, अगर आपको oversize नहीं चाहिए आप एक size छोटा ले लो. And this material is so good, so good. I mean, this is perfect for a day outing, like a holiday. पता नहीं मतलब the minute I saw this dress, I just wanted to be in Italy and wear it. But yeah, it's like colorful and the material is so nice. It's like linen and so good. I really loved it. So this was originally for 3,000 and I paid 1490 for it. And right now it's for 1100. But obviously सिर्फ excess size है, बाकी is all sold out. So anyway, and this is like, I don't know, 4th or 5th week of the Zara sale and it is still there in excess size. So yeah, that's what I said, that these things keep on, like people keep on returning so you can get them. But then obviously please do wash them before wearing them. So I just tried them, and now that I'm sure that I'm keeping these items, I'm going to either wash them or get them dry clean. Because sale में generally होता है, many people try it and also it's best that आप इसको dry clean या wash करके पहनो. I am so excited for this dress. So actually my husband gave me this dress, and before the sale started, like I think a month before the sale started, I was eyeing this dress. I was like, I need this dress. It's like so my style, like a maxi dress, but the top portion is fitted and the bottom portion just flows. And I was like, I want this dress, I want this dress. But this was for 5,500 and I was like, I cannot pay 5,500 for a dress. And I was obviously not going to buy it, but then the sale happened and I was like, I'm going to score this dress. And जैसे ही 9 o'clock हुआ, like when I was ready to check out, this dress was gone. So anyway, इसमें एक ही stock था, अब मैंने देख लिया था and it was gone. So I was like, oh crap, it's gone and I wanted this dress only. कुछ नहीं मिलता चलता, मुझे बस यही dress चाहिए था. But I just tried after 10 or 15 minutes and this dress was there. I mean, I think someone was trying to check out but they didn't check out in the end. So I was like, bless you, thank you for not checking out. Anyway, so I got this dress and I am sure you must have seen this dress somewhere. Like I've seen a lot of people wear this on the internet as well. Everything has either embroidery or crochet going on somewhere or the other. Here there is some lace going on, and then yahan pe there is like embroidery and the see-through pattern. I don't know what to call this here. It's like the shifli chikankari work type of a thing going on. And niche, I mean, it has so many layers. It is like fully layered and I absolutely loved it. So anyway, I was able to get this dress for 2,800. I know even that is a lot, and which is why when my husband said that I'll gift you this dress, I was like, because I really wanted it, and very few dresses even he likes. So he was like, you must get this dress. So I was like, okay. And I got it and I absolutely love it. Cannot wait to wear it somewhere on a vacation or somewhere. When the Zara sale is going on, as I said that the sale, आपको ही पता है कि दोनों जगह होती है, online and in the store itself. But I have seen that मैं एक दो बार offline store में भी गई हूँ. The problem with the offline store is मैं जब आप store पे physically जाते हो, first of all it's a fish market. मतलब it is super crowded. Even now during the pandemic, I have been seeing videos where it is super crowded, but I mean, each to his own. If you feel that it is safe to go, you can go. Plus the thing is that what do, like, if अगर आपको कुछ देखना है तो आप उठाओगे and then you will not like it, so you will keep it there, right? So then what happens is that that entire pile goes for resorting and refolding and all of that. तो आप जब store पे जाओगे तो it's not necessary कि आपको सब दिखेगा on the shelf which is on sale, because some items are getting sorted, some people are trying something, तो which is why online वो आपको advantage होता है that you can see everything that's on sale. But then again कभी-कभी ये भी I have seen that offline आपको मिल जाता है वो item but website पे वो sale पे नहीं है. So I mean, each to his own, but I prefer shopping on the app itself because I've been to the store once or twice during the sale and it is utter madness and chaos. And the next one or two items are something which I did not buy on sale but without the sale. One is this t-shirt that I bought which says Home Celebrity. I absolutely loved this color. I do not have this color. It's like such a nice blue, very different. I really loved the messaging home celebrity, which is why I got this. This was for 600 rupees. Let me just check. Yeah, so this was for 600 rupees. So Zara में ये collection always होता है, एक slogan t-shirt collection होता है, where you will find these basic t-shirts with like a messaging. The last item that I bought from Zara are these pair of sunglasses. Oh my god, I don't know why I've lately been obsessed with Zara sunglasses. Not even removed the tags, but anyway, loved this color and the style. Actually, I've seen something similar in Ray-Ban also, but it was like very expensive. And this one I got for 1800. No, sorry, 1890. Not on sale. This is from a new collection. Absolutely loved it. So yeah, I got this. And it comes in such a nice pouch, unlike the Mango sunglasses. So if you've seen my sunglasses and accessories haul that I did from Mango and Zara, you know that my experience from Mango has been very bad about buying sunglasses. And मैंने उस वीडियो में बताया था that मेरा एक sunglasses आया ही नहीं, वो अब तक नहीं आया है. I don't know now, it's been so many months and I'm writing emails to them. Nice sunglasses आए, nice पैसे आए. So anyway, that were all the items that I bought from the Zara sale, and 2 or 3 items without the sale as well. So apart from the tips that I have already given you all, if I had to give you all more tips, is that the Zara sale usually will start in the month of July and December. Generally, what happens is that throughout the globe, Zara goes on sale on the same date, but this time in India, it went on sale 1 week after the rest of the world. So US, UK सब जगह sale start हो चुकी थी, and then उसके एक week के बाद इंडिया में start हुई. So you know that the sale is going to come, and the sale generally starts on a Wednesday, is what I have seen. So आपको अगर पता है कि अभी सेल स्टार्ट होने वाली है, so आप 2-3 थिंग्स अपने कार्ट में डाल के रखो. डू नॉट ट्राई टू पुट मल्टीपल आइटम्स, जस्ट स्टिक टू द आइटम्स दैट यू वांट. 2 or 3 अगर आपको चाहिए तो जस्ट पुट दैट एंड कीप दैट, एंड एज सून एज द सेल स्टार्ट्स जस्ट चेक आउट. अनदर थिंग इज दैट obviously the delivery charges of Zara are a lot. So only if you shop items worth 3000, only then is your shipping free. Otherwise there's I think a 290 rupees shipping charges, which obviously is a lot. But there is one more option कि अगर समझो आपको, if you want items which are not worth 3k, it's like lesser than 3k, then you can always select the option of pick up from store. Like you can buy the things, and instead of getting it delivered to your house, you can select an option of picking it up from a store near you, and that way once you place the order, it comes to the store within 2 or 3 days, and then you can go and collect it. And even if you do that, you are able to initiate a return on their app itself, which is a very good option if you want. But yeah, and trust me, if you don't get some items, it's not a big deal. I know बहुत heartbreak होता है, like how I had with that dress. But there were 2-3 more items that I really wanted very badly, but मुझे नहीं मिले. But trust me, like no matter what you think, मतलब oh my god, this is the best dress you've seen, this is the best top you've seen, Zara में always नया stock आता रहता है. Sales keep on happening, sales happen twice a year. So आपको कुछ ना कुछ उससे अच्छा मिलेगा. मतलब I know this is like saying it is heartbreaking when you really want something and you don't get it, but I've seen that मिल ही जाएगा. So like don't get disheartened is what I would say. And anyway, with that I end today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you were able to score some items from the Zara sale, do let me know what all did you buy and which was your favorite from my haul. And if you would like me to do any videos, please do not forget to put them in the comment section, and I'll surely try to do them. So that's it from me today. I hope you all are safe. I hope you and your family are taking care of yourselves, and have a good time, and I'll see you next time. Bye. There is literally like a gang war going outside my window of sparrows and crows and all, and that's like making a lot of noise. It's like the universe doesn't want me to shoot. It's like the sparrows are playing kabaddi outside my window. I don't know, I don't want to scare them away also, so